to the upside. The DSY has broken the resistance level to the upside. So the next move should be 104,962. That is the next resistance level we are looking at right there. So if you look at the daily time frame, let's check the daily time frame. You can see that after breaking this level, it retest and then reject at that level. So after breaking it, we have a retest and then we have a rejection at that level right there. So which means that the next level is 104,962 right there. So we might just see maybe small retracement and they move to 104,962. That is the next level I can see right here in DSY. And then this is as a result of the hawkish statement from the Fed that they might likely hike the interest rate in the coming month. So let's see how it goes right there. So let's check the individual pairs starting from the gbpusd. So if you go to the weekly time frame, let's go to the weekly time frame on gbpusd. As you can see here, we have a rejection at this high, see, and here serves as the next support level, and guess what, it has broken the particular support level right now. As you can see, we have broken the support level, as you can see. So right now you can always anticipate for a retest and more move to the downside on GBP US dollar. So let's say the next target is there. So let's check the daily time frame. So you might have like two levels right there. First one is this place. So eventually it might create a lower high, then a lower low to 1.22260. Then if you break this level, then we are coming to 1.20087. So this is what I'm looking at on GBP US dollar now. So actually we might actually see a retracement forming a lower high, then coming to retest that particular level it has broken. So then after that, then we might see a rejection to 1.22260, then 1.20080. So let's check the next pair. So talking about the EURUSD, as you can see, we break this this trend line to the downside. So this trend line serves as the resistance level here and the late level at this area. So after breaking the support level, we can actually wait for a retest. Let's say maybe a move to retest this 1.00885 level. So note that it might not actually do a retest, we might actually see a move to this area straight up. So we might now actually see any retracement coming up at that particular area. So we might not actually see a retest coming up at that particular area. So we might just see a move to that particular area straight. So but for now, let's watch out. Maybe we can see a move to this area and then more move to the downside. So my bias on EURUSD is to the downside. As you can see, we have a break of this area to the downside, then we have a push exhaustion phase, then a push. You might actually see an exhaustion phase before another push exhaustion phase. But the overall bias is to the downside and the target is 1.05156. So you just have to find your entry and then join the trend. But the whole trend is now to the downside unless market says otherwise, because market is always right. So the next one is gold. So we talk about gold hitting this particular support level last week. From here, when we did the analysis, is at this place. So as you can see, it has a massive drop to this level. So actually we are waiting for this level to maybe this level we hold or break to the downside. So we might actually have a rejection here to the upside, because we have a very strong support level at that area. As you can see, this is a very strong support level, so we might actually have a rejection at this level to the upside. So that's what we are anticipating for. But we have took if you are in the sell, you need to take your profit at this level, or you might actually book your profit at this level right now, because this is a massive sell from this area to this area. So actually you can wait, maybe there will be a rejection at this area, or we have a break of the particular support level right here. So US dollar JPY, we have break through this particular resistance level too. There's a break of this resistance level and then a retest. So let's put, as you can see, we break this resistance level, there's a break, and then there's a retest. So the next target is 1.141929. so that's the next target on US dollar JPY. So we might actually see maybe small retracement, then we move to 1.41929. This is the next obvious resistance level where an opposite effect might actually come in. So if you want to find your entry around this area, let's take the 4-hour time frame. See, you can actually, okay, it has even done the retest of that level already. As you can see, if you want to use this as your entry point, I think it's no more valid as an entry point unless price came back to respect that area, because we have a breakout, a retest, and then a rejection. So unless price came to retest that particular area right there, so actually we might still see a small retracement. Then maybe when you use trend line, you look for a rejection and then a move to 1.41929 right there. So let's see how it goes. Maybe you might see a retest, and note that you might not actually do a retest and then move straight to that particular level right there. But right here is a very good entry at this point. So wait for London session or New York session to take your position, because before that you might actually see a retest to this level, maybe coupled with trend line, then a rejection, then a move to 1.41929. so let's see how it goes right there. So let's check out US dollar CAD. US dollar CAD, there's a breakout of that level that we did on the weekly Forex forecast. So let's zoom it further. As you can see, we have a break of this with a large momentum bullish candlestick, which tells us that it might also proceed with a large big daily candlestick. As you can see, we are in a daily time frame, so we might actually see a move to this area first, then subsequent move to 1.37977, because that's where the opposite effects might actually come in. So let's say it goes right there. This is my first target. If I'm taking this trade, I'm taking my first target at 1.3644. that is 40 pips. So then second target at 1.37977 right there. So if you want to get the safe zone right there, this is the safe zone at this particular area. This is safe zone, so which means that actually might have a retracement, then a move to 1.36441, then subsequent move to 1.377977, because 37977, because this is where the opposite effect might actually comes in right there. So these are the pairs I choose to analyze for you in this midweek forecast. So you have to find the right entry and then a suitable exit that will not harm your account. So